In this video, I'll guide you through the simple process of enabling autoplay on YouTube. If you're new here, consider subscribing below. Liking this video will also help more people discover and benefit from it. Basically, the autoplay feature on YouTube can enhance user engagement by seamlessly transitioning viewers from one video to another based on their interests, increasing watch time and exposure to related content without requiring manual selection. This autoplay feature is based on age and account settings to enhance user experience and safety. For viewers aged 13-17, autoplay remains disabled by default, ensuring a controlled viewing environment. Once users reach 18, autoplay is automatically activated unless manually adjusted. When connected via mobile data, autoplay intelligently pauses after 30 minutes of viewer inactivity, conserving data usage. On Wi-Fi networks, autoplay halts after 4 hours of inactivity, balancing convenience with data management. In practical terms, while watching videos on mobile devices or tablets, the next video suggestion appears at the end of the current video. However, if you interact with the screen, such as scrolling past the video player or engaging in activities like commenting or searching, the next video will not start playing automatically. To adjust autoplay settings for a specific video, navigate to its watch screen and toggle the autoplay switch located prominently at the top of the video player. For broader control over autoplay across all videos, access your profile settings. Select Settings, then tap into the autoplay menu to enable or disable this feature according to your preferences. Let me give you a useful tip here. Even when autoplay is enabled, you can easily prevent the next video from playing by tapping Cancel when prompted after a video. This offers you greater command over your viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to visit MediaMagnetGuide.com for a wealth of tutorials and resources on various topics.